Hey everyone, it's your girl Veronica, aka the Beauty Slayer, and I'm back with another video. Hey, back with another video. Hey, back with another video. Hey. So today's video, I am doing an everyday makeup video for you guys. It's beginner friendly, easy step by step. I'm not showing, I am showing you step by step, and I'm going to explain to you step by step. So we're starting on the brows. Brows are, once you get them, you get them. So you just got to practice a little bit, and I like to start from the bottom. That way I get an outline. I don't do a straight line like I used to do. I do hair strokes. So you might want to try doing hair strokes. So hair strokes is like you're just flicking lightly. Flick lightly, girls. Don't be so heavy with the brush or the pencil, whatever you're using to do your brows. Don't be so heavy-handed with it. So we're going to clean them up using concealer. I'm using two different ones. One's lighter than the other one, just to balance one out. One's creamier, one's thicker, and you'll see the other one's on like a pencil. So I have to kind of work with both of them to get that like good consistency that I'm looking for, like the LA Colors concealer, like that. With them two combined, it's just like that. It's just like the LA girl concealer, you guys. I feel like that's in the colorway of fawn or toffee. But yeah, so we're just cleaning up our brows. I don't do the top of my brows like I used to. It's just because I don't know. I don't like how it look. Unless I'm using like my skin tone on top. I don't like to use it too light, because then it looks like you did your makeup, and that's not what we're going for. I mean, that's your preference, whatever floats your boat, but I'm going for more on the natural-ish side. I'm trying to look done up, but I ain't trying to look like done up. I ain't trying to do too much, just something, to look jazzed up. So I'm using my beauty blender to blend out the concealer underneath my brows so it cannot look so harsh. And once when I say harsh, I mean like that indentation, like you could see where it's at. That's not what we want. You want to blend it out and make sure it melts into your skin. That's what I'm looking for. So you want to blend. In this video, you're going to see me blending a whole lot. Blending is the key. Blending is going to be your best friend. And I keep checking, and I'm just making sure it looks good. I don't like for them to be looking too crazy. And so because I don't like them that bright. So I just like to go over with the concealer more closer to my skin tone to tone it down a little bit. Then I go back in and blend that back out, just so it can give me a neater canvas to work with when I start on applying my eyeshadow. So you'll see me, like I said, blending. Blend for your life, okay? More blending. Like I said, blending is going to be your best friend when you're learning on how to do your makeup. Sometimes I even blend with my fingernails. Not my fingernails, but the fingerprint. Girl, I'm having a brain fart. The palm, not the palm, but you know what I'm saying. The middle of the skin, So I'm priming my face. I like using this one because it hydrates my skin. I have combination skin. During my in my T-zone area, it tends to be more dry. On the outside, it gets oily. My cheeks get oily. But around my mouth area, my nose, and in between my brows, it kind of like, it kind of like, yeah, balances, try to balance it out. So now I'm setting the concealer with a pressed powder close to my skin tone. That way it doesn't crease up on me throughout the day and it stays matte. I like dewy makeup. I like matte makeup. I like all makeup. Just for underneath my brows, they get greasy throughout the day, so I just like to make sure they're browsed up. And now we're going to start on the eyeshadow. This is going to be an easy look. I'm only using one color, and I amped it up by spraying a little spray on it. Some of that facial mist spray that you guys seen to get that wet look. And you'll see what I'm talking about here. It gives you that wet effect. Beginner friendly tip. You just wet the brush and then you dip it into the eyeshadow and then you put it onto your eyelid and it gives you that wet effect. It doesn't work with the matte. It just works with shimmer. People don't really specify that, but it won't work with the matte. It doesn't give you that. That's not. It's for shimmer. To give you that, like, wet effect. Because I'm trying to be wet. Anyways, so I'm just, like I said, blending is going to be your best friend. Especially with, concealer, foundation, eyeshadow. Blending is the key. I don't want that start and stop look. Like it started right here, ended right there. That's not what we're going for. You blend it out so it looks seamless. See that finger? I'm using my finger to blend that out. The finger is going to be your best friend. It's like a beauty blender, but it's your finger and it's free. And it works. It blends out your shadows really good. And it gives you that effortless look that you're going for. So that's just a tip. Make sure your fingers are clean though. Don't just go sticking your dirty fingers in your face. That's not what you want to do. So I'm going to do the wing liner. It's pretty simple. You got to practice with it. I know it look like I'm going pretty fast, but it's because I've been doing my makeup for a long time. So, and you'll see my kids in the background. Don't mind them. They're just playing. So, working on the other wing. I made them thicker than usual just because it's only one eyeshadow look. So, to make these kind of looks stand out, you want to amp up the look, you just make your wing liner thicker. So that's what I'm doing, making sure it looks good. I'm not a big perfectionist on my wing liner. Like, I just try to make sure it's on. It looks somewhat decent. You can go over the wing liner and fix it with concealer, but I don't do that. That's extra. So next we're moving on to foundation. I'm using Rihanna's Fenty Beauty foundation. I haven't used it in a good minute because I haven't really been wearing makeup. But I could tell just by off of the video, I probably need to go up a shade. But I don't like doing too light shade of a shade because then you start looking casket ready, and that's not the look I'm going for. So once it settles into my skin, it looks really good. It's you seeing the thumbnail, you guys. I mean, it all blends in together at the end. It may start looking crazy in the beginning when you start doing it, but once you start getting into the groove and you start blending everything out, you start seeing the bigger picture. It's like, oh my God. Makeup is therapy. For me, anyways. I know for some people it's therapy too. It just helps me to not think about everything else. I'm just think about my foundation, make sure it's blend, and yeah, my mind be free and I don't think about anything but my makeup. I don't put foundation underneath my eyelids. I don't see the purpose in doing that, especially when I know I'm putting concealer there. Somebody won't clock me, but I kind of messed up. I was not supposed to put that there, but I checked it and it was like, oh, it's whatever. So, but like I was saying, I don't put foundation underneath the eyelids because you're putting concealer there anyways. So that's just double makeup that you don't need, in my opinion. But whatever floats your boat. So I'm highlighting underneath my eyelids and my nose. Those are the only really main areas that I hit. Because I was going for that snatched kind of look, you know. Kind of trying to look snatched. Especially on my nose. I'm working on my nose contour still. It be alright sometimes, you know. I mean, like I said, practice makes perfect. You're not, more than likely you're not going to get it on the first try, but as long as you keep trying, you'll do good. I'm not saying you won't get it on the first try, but once you keep practicing, it's going to come natural to you. Now you'll notice I put way too much there, but with this translucent powder, it blends out good, so I wasn't really sweating it. And I just try to blend out the rest underneath my jawline so I can get that contour effect without really having to contour. Just a little cheat sheet for y'all. You just put some translucent powder underneath your jawline versus having to do all that extra stuff. It's supposed to be an easy everyday makeup. We're not trying to complicate things, you guys. Just trying to make it easy and make sure our makeup look cute and last throughout the day. So I'm using my Morphe bronzer. She's okay. I miss my Queen collection, the ebony bronzer. I need to find one of those again. But for right now, this is just what I've been using. Don't clock me for my unibrow, okay? I'm trying to embrace my beautifulness, okay? That's a throwback blush, by the way. NYX. Shout out NYX. Their desert rose blush. That's, you see, look at it. Oh my God, it is still pigmented. I've had that blush for a good minute, and you see, I probably need to throw it away. Matter of fact, I've had it that long, I probably need to throw it away. But it's still pushing, you guys. That's why I haven't thrown it away. It's so pigmented. Look at the blush mixed with the highlighter. Like, everything's coming together, y'all. Let me drink a little something because my voice is getting raspy. Okay, so I have to remember where these lashes came from. I'm not sure. I know they came from the beauty supply store, y'all. So whatever lashes you like to wear, you just pick them. Unless somebody asks me, I don't. It's just some thick lashes. If you guys want a video on how to apply lashes, just let me know and I'll do a detailed video, slowed down, and show you what to do. Look at me. I'm so crazy. I was turned up. I was excited about this video. I really wanted to look at my highlight on that brow and then look at the blush. Oh my God. And the skin tone. Shout out to this phone. I finally got an iPhone, you guys, because I'm trying to give y'all the best quality this year coming up. I'm trying to give y'all that A1 star 1 credit. I know you seen the thumbnail on my last video. It looked so good. I just want to make sure y'all get the best out of me for 2022, okay? Bossing up. If you guys want details on my hair, I'm still locked up. All I did was put some the little fake locks. I undid the locks individually, braided it in the like the first quarter of my hair, and then just twisted it down. That's all I did. Added some beads, and to make them stay at the end, I braided them and then just twisted it. That's about it. But I really love how my hair came out. That's my birthday hairstyle I did for myself. And then I just threw some beads in it. So with this step that you see me guys doing, I'm adding that same eyeliner that I did my brows with. I'm adding strokes. I'm faking some hairs. You guys can do that. Beginner friendly. Like I said, this video is going to be very beginner friendly because some people aren't really comfortable using the mascara wand just yet. And I have mascara on hand, but I didn't want to use it, so I just faked some eyeliner. I mean some eyelashes, and then put a little fake mole right there to be extra. I really didn't need it, but just to be extra, I put it there. So I'm just applying some lip gloss, so that way my lips don't be looking all dry and stuff with the look. So, but you obviously can change your lip color. Anything is optional. It's easy every day. You just go with one little shadow that's either shimmer or close to your skin tone, a little blush, foundation. You didn't even have to really use foundation, you guys. You could have used a little concealer and powdered your face and kept it moving. But just to, step it up a notch, I did some more steps. So now I'm going to set my face so that way we get rid of that cakey look. And I slowed it down for you guys. Look at that spray. Look at that look. The look. It's the look for me, you guys. That get you guys some setting spray, okay? It's going to be your best friend. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup video. Give me a thumbs up. Let's get this video to 1,000 views, you guys. We finna push it, okay? Finna get to 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 views on this video, and we finna boss up this year. I got some videos for you guys of the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Happy New Year. Ciao.